Nobody respects you. And the reason is simpler than you think. It's not because people are bad. It's not because you're unlucky. It's because of what you allow. Look closely at your own behavior. People interrupt you, and you stay quiet. Someone makes a joke at your expense, and you laugh it off. Someone crosses a line, and you pretend it didn't bother you. You think you're being calm. You think you're being mature. But you're not. You're teaching people something. You're showing them that they can treat you however they want. And once people learn that, they don't question it. They repeat it again and again and again. Respect is not lost in one big moment. It disappears slowly, in small decisions, small compromises, small moments where you knew something felt wrong, but you chose silence instead. Think about the last time you felt disrespected. You noticed it instantly. There was a pause, a moment where something didn't feel right. But what did you do? Did you speak up? Or did you ignore it, just to avoid discomfort? Because most people choose comfort. They avoid tension. They avoid conflict. They avoid being seen as difficult. And in doing so, they slowly lose something far more important. They lose themselves. They trade self-respect for temporary peace. But that peace doesn't last, because every time you ignore what feels wrong, comes back. The same behavior, the same pattern, the same disrespect, just in a different form. And over time, it builds a quiet frustration, not just toward others, but toward yourself. Because deep down, you know the truth. You allowed it. And that realization is uncomfortable, because it means you were not powerless. You were just silent. And silence, when used to avoid reality, comes at a cost. The cost is your value. The cost is your presence. The cost is how people see you. Because people don't just listen to what you say, they observe what you tolerate. And what you tolerate becomes your standard. And your standard becomes your identity. This is where everything starts to make sense. The problem is not people. The problem is your standards. People don't decide your value. You do. Through what you accept. Through what you tolerate. Through what you allow, repeatedly. If you allow disrespect, you will receive more of it. If you tolerate being ignored, you will continue to be overlooked. If you stay silent when it matters, people will assume you have nothing to say. Not because they are cruel, but because you showed them that this is acceptable. And once something becomes acceptable, it becomes normal. And once it becomes normal, it becomes expected. This is how respect disappears. Quietly, gradually, without anyone noticing until it's too late. But here's the truth. This can change. Not by forcing others, but by changing yourself. Not by becoming aggressive, but by becoming clear. Clear about what you accept. Clear about what you don't. And most importantly, clear through your actions. Because people don't believe words. They believe patterns. If you say you deserve respect, but tolerate disrespect, your actions will always speak louder. So the shift begins with something simple. Awareness. The next time something feels wrong, pause. Don't react immediately. Don't laugh it off. Don't ignore it. Just notice it. Because that moment, that small moment of awareness, is where change begins. And then comes the difficult part. Choosing differently. Maybe that means saying nothing, but not smiling. Maybe that means holding eye contact and not looking away. Maybe that means calmly saying, "That's not okay," without anger, without emotion, without over-explaining. Because power is not in reacting. Power is in control. And control is quiet. There is a strength in stillness that most people don't understand. You don't need to prove yourself. You don't need to win every interaction. You don't need to explain your value. You just need to stop accepting less than it. And sometimes, the strongest response is distance. Walking away. Not dramatically, not emotionally, just quietly. Because staying in a place where you are not respected is also a choice. And every choice you repeat becomes who you are. So if you keep choosing silence when you should speak, if you keep choosing comfort over self-respect, if you keep choosing to tolerate, then that becomes your identity. But the moment you choose differently, even once, even in a small moment, something shifts. You feel it, a sense of control, a sense of clarity, a sense of strength, and people feel it too. They may not say anything, but they notice, because your energy changes, your presence changes, your standards become visible. And when your standards change, people adjust, not because you forced them, but because you showed them that the old version of you is gone. And that is where respect begins, not in what you demand, but in what you no longer accept. So ask yourself, what are you tolerating right now that is slowly destroying your self-respect? What are you allowing that you know is wrong? Because the moment you become aware of it, you have a choice. Continue the pattern or break it. And breaking it will feel uncomfortable. It will feel unfamiliar. It may even feel wrong at first. But discomfort is not the enemy. It's the signal. The signal that you are changing. The signal that you are growing. The signal that you are no longer willing to accept what you once tolerated. And that is where respect begins. Respect is not something you ask for. It's something you build through clarity, through consistency, through the courage to stand by your standards, even when it's difficult, even when it's uncomfortable, even when it means standing alone. Because in the end, self-respect comes first. And once you truly understand that, everything changes.